Yeah, okay. So we did David 3 verses 8 through 30. And here it is. Oh, Arthur, come out here.
Why, hello there, I brought you your little pharaoh.
Oh, my little pharaoh.
Your stupid little pharaoh.
That everybody can worship.
You know what time it is?
What time is it?
Time for dance party.
Dance party!
Dance party.
Oh, yes. I love the dance party.
Ha!
Ha!
Shape of water bucket.
Yeah!
I'm Hansel.
10 minutes later.
Oh, Arthur, get out here.
Fuck off. Are you? I'm Hansel.
Oh, I'm very good. How about you?
I'm just like,
Oh, good.
I have news for you.
What news?
There are 3 people. No worship idol.
No worship of Arthur. Oh, no! Bring them out
Bring
here.
them out here.
Let's go, dogs. Let's move yourself.
Okay, let me lay it straight. I hear you know worship our God. What the deal?
Our God's better than yours.
Oh, yeah?
Is your God better than mine?
Yeah.
Is your God better than a dance party?
Dance
Yeah.
party.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I love dance party.
We do.
Shape of Ice Cube.
Oh.
I'm Hansel.
Okay, let's take them to the furnace.
Okay, let's go to the furnace.
Okay, let's go to the furnace.
No.
You know what time it is? It's time for another dance party.
Unasa.
Oh, again.
Oh, yes. This is great in every way possible.
Shape of furnace.
Yeah! Now you go to the furnace.
No.
Okay, well this is part of the skit, so you have to go. Okay.
Is there any particular temperature that you want to see furnace?
I would like it to be 7 times hotter than before.
Okay.
Okay.
Super hot like a dance party.
No.
It's really hot in here.
Oh yeah. I'm Angel. Dance party.
Oh no!
You.
They did it fun! I do not real!
Oh no.
Their God is a real God!
But you know what time it is? Dance party.
Oh,